Finally! Wee! Yeah. Yeah, the gold giving the red one too. It's not mixed. Let's go. Let's see. Wee! Cool! I like it. Ding, 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 ding! I'm the hero! Cool! Nice Thanos cosplay. Kayak kostum Iron Man, iya kan? Hirakan, thank you. I really cannot lose this armor for real, hello. What trim is that? This is the silent trim. Go find someone online to flex. No! I cannot flex until I complete all of the trims. I really like the ribs part. It really looks like a warden. It looks like a warden's heart. This is too precious to lose it. Yeah, take a screenshot of this before I lose it someday. Totally not a jinx. I mean, I'll put the duplicate the rest of it here. And just hope nobody will take it, right? Nobody will take it, right? The safest place is in my storage room, right? Right, guys? The safest is not in my ender chest. The safest is in the house, yeah? I doubt. What if the room explodes? At least put one each in secret room. No, Hololive server is the safest place to save. I think after I said that, there's like Duar. Fine. I think Minecraft just didn't agree with me.